All right, let's go to the part 2, the types of addresses we have in Trustwallet. You cannot see my passcode, so let me enter into my wallet. Now I'm going to change this. Okay, let me, I can still use this. I think, yeah, I can use this. Now there are times you enter, maybe you go for you have an airdrop that you want to enter, or you want to buy a you want to buy a token, and they will ask for a kind of address, say enter your ER20 address, ER20 address, or they ask you for BEP20 address. You remember there are two, ER20 address and BEP20 address. So I'm going to explain both. ER is based on Ethereum network. BEP20 is based on smart chain network. So most times some of these tokens are based on Ethereum network. They will ask you for ER20 address, and the other ones are based on smart chain network. They will ask you of BEP20 address. Now let's assume you are being asked for BEP20 address. Always use smart chain. If you are asked for BEP20 address, click on this smart chain and click on receive. Click on receive. This is your BEP20 address, this particular code you are seeing. All you just need to do is just copy it and paste it wherever they are asking for. Maybe you cannot see this, maybe it's hidden, because anything related to things like this, the wallet has a way of hiding them, but I can see them. I can see like this. You may not be able to see it. Now if it is to be an ER20 address, always use Ethereum. Click on Ethereum and click on receive. This address, if you notice, they are the same. Yeah, I know, but this address, I think this is what you will need for ER20 address. Just click on it, copy and paste. There's a way it will identify it, maybe, but all the address look the same. But just make sure that if they ask for ER20, click on it. If they ask for BEP20, click on smart chain. That's where you get your address from. That sometimes they will ask for TRX address, Tron. Click on Tron and click on receive. It always start with a T. So different network has different address. So depending on where the kind of coin you want to buy, they will tell you this is based on this network. All you just need to do is just give us the address on that network, of that network. So I think the most popular one I've seen so far is ER20 address, BEP20 address, and this Tron address. So if you are being asked, all you just need to do is just click on them. BEP20 smart chain, click on receive, copy this address. You can paste it wherever I want to paste it to. If I ask for ER20 address, look for Ethereum, click on it, click receive, copy the address you want to copy and paste it wherever I want to paste it. Then if I ask for Tron address, TRX, click on Tron here, click on receive, then copy and paste it wherever I want to paste it. I hope you understand. Okay, that's this about this. So I'm going to be, the next video will talk about contract address. This time I'm going to use my main I will use my main wallet to do that, show you that. Okay, video 4. Thank you so much for sticking by me. All right, let's talk about video 4, where we'll be talking about contract address. Now I'm going to go to Telegram. I'm going to choose there's all these ones are group that I belong to, so I'm going to choose them and search for one contract address, and I will explain what the contract address is all about. Right? There are two. Okay, I think I will do it 2 ways. Number one is to show you if you already belong to a group. You know, we just talk about Unity right now. This is their page on Telegram. This is their page on Telegram. So I'm going to search for contract address. Search address search. Okay, this is their contract address, HTTPS blah blah blah, but this is not, I only need the part that start with the 0 star something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my PancakeSwap. Excuse me. I'm going to come to my PancakeSwap. Sorry, I know you can't see this. I need to quickly enter because my passcode. Okay, I'm going to come to my PancakeSwap. Click on PancakeSwap. Click on PancakeSwap. Now, let's assuming I don't have that currency here. What I do is I'll paste that part I told you about. I'm going to paste it and remove the part I don't need. The part I don't need is where it starts from something BS address. The only thing I need is every contract address starts with zero. You see, it has already shown. What I will do is I will add it. I've already added it before, but I'm going to add. That's why you see be added by user. I add it. I click on it. It automatically appears here. 1. Then 2. To add it to your wallet. To add it to your wallet, let me go to the new wallet we created that time. To add it to this wallet, it's not here already. Toggle on this. See the arrow after close to collectibles. Click on the arrow here. Then type it here. Type it here. Remove the address. Scan. I will explain what contract address is once I'm done with this. Okay. Yep. It's so just now. What happened? Excuse me. Saw it too. I don't know what happened. Okay, let me correct it here in the group first. Let me remove this stuff. Please hold on. Okay, if you have a contract address of any token, you can easily add it to your wallet. Very easy. Just click on this 2 arrow here, paste. You see that show, you toggle it. When you toggle it, you go back to your, see it here, it's already here. If you want to send unit to me, you click on send. If you want to receive unit from me, you click on receive. This is your address you are going to send to me. Then you tell the person to send BEP20. BEP20. If you said ERC, that coin is lost forever. It must be BEP20 because this unity is based on BEP20 address. Now, contract address is every unique coin. Every coin has their own particular contract address. That is a way you can use in identifying it. If you have this contract address, you can use it to buy the coin. All you just need to do is come to PancakeSwap. As I told you that you can buy any coin from PancakeSwap. All you just need to do is just get PancakeSwap.finance. Go there. Now, select a currency. Have the coin contract address, paste it here. It automatically show. You click, or I don't have BNB here because this is a new account. But let's assume I have BNB. I can decide to tell. I can know how many coin I want to buy. Maybe let's say I know the price of a coin by putting the amount here. Let's say I want to buy 100. It tells me 100 is going to cost me 0.88 BNB. Let me use BUSD. It's going to cost me 200 of the coin is going to cost me $267. You can see that's how much it will cost me to buy the 100 of these units. Then let's assuming I want to buy another coin. Let's say I want to buy Bake. 100 of Bake is going to cost me 113 BUSD. Hope you can see. Let's assume I want to buy a Bitcoin, BTC. 100 BTC is going to cost me 6,490,480. Here you can buy any coin you want to buy. If there is no coin, if the coin you are looking for is not here, look for the contract address and paste it here. Now, how can you find contract address? The first place I will go is Google. I type bscscan.com. it's a kind of blockchain explorer for BEP20 coin. We have Ethereum and Binance. The reason why we have this BSC is because Ethereum gas fee was getting too high. They had to come up, and people started using BS. They started using a Binance platform to transact, because what you are going to buy that will cost you 67 cents in BSC is going to cost you close to $100 in Ethereum network. So that's why most people, but the problem with the Binance is because of the cheapness, as in because it's cheap, there are lots of fake token out there that can be created using this Binance, because you will not be able to pay for something rock pool when you are using Ethereum and you are paying a higher fee. But because this is cheaper, the ability to rock pool is there. So now let's assume I'm going to look for the contract address of a coin. What coin should I look for? I'm going to look for the contract address of a coin called PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap. Okay, yeah, see it. Now I'm going to scroll down. See the contract address here. I click on it and copy contracts. Click on it and copy. Then come to my Trustwallet to buy it. I'm not going to buy it, but just like an example. You see it automatically show. You click on add. I click on it. 100 cookies is going to cost me how much in dollars? 100 cookies is going to cost me $100 is going to cost me, okay, it's cheap, 0.005 something. Okay, let's see how much will $1 buy me. $1 is going to buy me 64 cookie. If I want this coin, I just need to, you see, it's official BUSD. I didn't mean I have money here. Or you know what, let me go back to my main wallet where I have money, so I can show you better wallets, better dApps. PancakeSwap. You remember I've copied the contract address, so I'm going to paste it here. Cookie, it's showing me cookie. I'm going to put one here and change this to BUSD. One cookie is going to cost 0.000013 something USD. So let me see how much will one buy me. It's going to buy me excuse me, it's going to buy me 64. Let me see the one that I have. Okay, I have money here. Insufficient BNB balance. What does this say? Yeah, I have like $1 here now. Okay, let me see P. And I decide to buy like 100 of this. Insufficient liquidity for this because this one is not this stage. Okay, but I think you get the idea. To get the contract address of a coin, once you get it, you can paste it here. You see search name or paste address. Let's assume they are popular coin like ADA. Just like you paste it, then it tells you how much 100 pieces is going to cost you, or one is going to cost you. So once you have a contract address, you can easily buy a coin. But all this that I'm just explaining, they are technical aspects of cryptocurrency. Binance is the first place where we will start from. So by tomorrow or next tomorrow, I'll make some Binance video and post it in the group so you can access it. Then I will show you how to buy via P2P. I'm going to buy so you can see how easy it is to buy via P2P. Then I'm also going to explain how to buy, trade, sell, keep track of your coin as time goes on. So I hope you enjoyed this series, and if you have any questions, just ask in the group. I will be able to answer. Thank you so much.